Uncertainty is hovering at the Zimbabwe newspaper groups, Zimpapers, after the company fired 3 senior executives last week in major shakeup widely linked to political interference in the state-controlled media. Sande muna mashoko atinoona kuti aiwa wanzi kuita shakeup aiwa kuZimpapers kuonekwa kunzi aiwa vakomana vanokuzikamwa kuti vanenge vachioccupa mapositions ari kumusoro vanenge vari vakomana vari linked aiwa to the government kana the ruling party. Pana patoona kugedageda kwemeno vakomana vamwe vachifaiwa vanhu zvavati chabvondoka. Sande muna mashoko anodanikwa panapa kuti pasubscribe like on the bell icon. Chipinda pana makudanikwa muchinzi last week the company fired a long-serving chief executive officer Bigirai Deketeke, chief finance officer Farai Matamiri, and chief marketing officer Tapua Mandimutsira. Veteran journalist William Chukoto was appointed acting CEO in place of PD. The listed government-controlled companies operate an expensive media empire that includes leading newspapers, The Herald, Sunday Mail Chronicle, and Sunday News. It also runs Star FM, Diamond FM, and Capital FM radio stations and commercial printing services. Sources at the Herald House, the Zimpapers head of office, said that the new leadership would bring more changes in the editorial department for all the news channels. They said the sweeping reforms across Zimpapers platforms, including its print, radio, and television operations, are imminent. These developments come against the backdrop of long-standing allegations of ZANU-PF's direct interference in the editorial and operational independence of state media. Tomashoko anobuda panapa chiona kuti ava vakomana vanofaiwa pamusoro pemashakeups ari kuitiwa nemasuspicions toona vakomana vachizama kusecure their power aiwa kusvika nokusingaperi. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Nakume section medu, sana subscribe like, choto on the bell icon.